Okay, so let's take a look at how you can add the sync between the Airtable and Dropbox. So from that particular, we will take a look at the app section within Zapier, right? So where we have to check for two apps, Airtable and Dropbox. So I already added Airtable as well as Dropbox. You can make this connection simply going to search app, type in Airtable or so, and there you will have the connection established. Same with Dropbox, you have one of the connection established, right? Now what we can do here is we can go to our Airtable where we have one base and table with 3 columns and respective rows. There is also Dropbox that has one of the file, right? So I will remove anything that is unused so that I can have something to show you, right? Only one spreadsheet there. I will add one of the entries of Airtable and make it into a text file. So go to dashboard. Here I will say sync Airtable with text file in Dropbox, right? Let's generate and let's see if it creates any Zap that you can use, right? Sync Airtable with Dropbox text file. I will try it, right? So here, first thing, making sure to sync your Airtable. I will continue. Next I will give it the base that I pointed out, automate, and table 1. Then limit view is grid view, then continue. I will test trigger, right? Once I trigger that part, I will go back to the entry, select that, and in next step I will create a text file. So I will be manually adding fields. So here space is our default, which is personal, then folder can keep it as is, as /, then file name, let's name this Airtable sync, right? And it will be saved as .txt file. So file content will be name, then we can add some spacing. Okay, so spacing is not allowed, which is not cool, right? And then override, you can say yes, true. Then after that content, and then subject, which is odd order, I know, but I will just get it to test, right? It will have this type of entry within one of the text files. If you can see, that means our Zap is working, right? Let's see if this is published. We will take a look at Dropbox. Here you can see Airtable sync file is there. Let's preview this. Now within the file it should have the order as our content added from this particular row into first, and then whenever new entry comes in, it will keep on adding into text file. Now what we have seen so far is we have managed to create a text file within Dropbox by syncing Airtable items using Zapier.